Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Pretty Links or Pretty Links Pro database, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Pretty Links or Pretty Links Pro database, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Find Pretty Links in your list of installed plugins. Click on Pretty Links to access its main dashboard. Once inside, look for the Tools menu option at the top. Select Export from the drop-down menu. You will see options to export your links and their data. Choose the desired format for your backup, typically CSV is preferred. After selecting your format, click on the Export Links button. Your browser will then download a file containing your Pretty Links data. Next, to ensure a complete backup, go to the Settings menu of your WordPress dashboard. Select General to check your database settings. To perform a full backup of your WordPress database, consider using a plugin like Updraft Plus or WP Database Backup. Install and activate your chosen backup plugin by going to the Plugins section and clicking Add New. Search for your backup plugin in the WordPress plugin repository. Once found, click Install Now and then activate. With the backup plugin activated, navigate to its settings page. Follow the prompts to create a full backup of your WordPress database. Choose your backup destination, such as cloud storage or local download. Click on the Backup Now button to initiate the process. Wait for the backup to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, verify that your backup file is saved correctly in your chosen destination. For added security, consider scheduling regular backups through your backup plugin settings. You have successfully backed up your Pretty Links or Pretty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.